Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services is more than just South Palm Beach County's most comprehensive social service agency. We're family. And like family, we're always here for you when you need us. JFS is proud of the support we're able to provide our community in South Palm Beach County, but we couldn't do it without the help of our most vital member, you. Rales JFS depends on the generosity of people like you who give of your time, money, and compassion. Just as the community relies upon Rales JFS, so too do we rely upon the community for essential financial support as well as for volunteerism. Many services offered through JFS are provided by compassionate, caring individuals who volunteer their time for the benefit of others. And we simply cannot thank them enough. Nor can we adequately thank all of the wonderful donors who supply the vital funding we so desperately need in order to provide so many essential services to our community, our family.
Rales JFS offers individuals and families in South Palm Beach a vast array of interrelated services. If you're here, you're one of us, and when you need us, we're here for you. Because that's what family's for.
Contact Rales JFS today and see what we can do for you. Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services. We are family.